Welcome to Imperfect Mobility. Today we are going to cover a quick dynamic warm-up you can do before a run. Remember, this is dynamic, not ballistic. Don't jam into the stretch. Let's get into it. The first pose will be standing knee to chest for 5 each side. Next we'll go into a standing quad stretch, also 5 each side. Okay, now let's go into a slow and controlled forward fold, 5 total here. Next we're going to do standing hip rotations, also 5 each side. Okay, now let's go into ankle rolls with the right foot, 5 each direction. And finally, we'll do ankle rolls with the left foot, also 5 each direction. And that's it. Please like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and share it with others that might benefit. Enjoy your run.